What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to convert tags into categories or categories into tags on your WordPress website or blog into a simple, fast, effective and totally free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard and review it. Normally, to access your dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin, just like this. You're gonna need to enter your username or email and password, and you're gonna be into this dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus, and next to users, you're gonna be able to find tools. Hover a mouse over it and click on available tools. Right here, categories into tags converter. If you want to convert your categories to tags or vice versa, use this categories to tags converter available from the import screen. Click on it. Then scroll down and gonna be able to see categories and tags converter. Convert existing categories to tags or tags to categories selectively, okay? Click on install now. Click into Run Importer. And right here, I have all of my categories, okay? You can select every single of these categories. And I'm gonna click on Convert to. I can convert into a post format, in the case that I want, or into tags. I would like to convert these categories into tags. So all I have to do is click on Convert Categories. Converting categories, converted successfully. Let's go back. Now I have more tags. Imagine now that I would like to convert some tags into categories. No problem. I'm gonna select the tags that I would like to convert, just like this. And I'm gonna need to convert tags to categories. Convert tags. And now I'm gonna have extra categories right here. Simple, right? You also can assign this to a new post format. Okay, you can convert the post format, or you can review the formats right here. Okay, simple, easy, and very effective. Just make sure that you know what you are doing to avoid problems. Okay, and that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.